I'm standing in the backyard at 1065 Rowntree in Pickering in the William Dunbar School Catchment, top-rated school in Pickering. It is a detached 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, fully renovated, stunning home, finished basement, 1-car garage, 3-car driveway. It's in a family-friendly neighborhood, and it's a short walk to the Pickering GO station, the town center, and the library. It's another stunner. Come check it out.